Welcome to 12-inch apps. This is our NFT gallery pages component. It's a perfect way to display your NFTs in style. Super easy to use. Just enter the DID of any NFT. Automatically populates with the image and the name. No hassle required. We wanted to make this super easy for people to use. Built for seamless integration into the Pages kit, this gallery gives every serious collector a sleek and customizable way to exhibit their digital assets. Let's take a look at the examples here, okay? So right here you have the gallery version. Simply, you can customize this title. This is a custom title. You can enter your own NFTs, obviously. You can choose how many columns are up here, change the background, all that. Here is the carousel version of the gallery, where you're going to see the same NFTs, just a carousel version of them. Let me show you how this works. Here's the dashboard for the custom component. Once you've launched the blocklet and you decided you want the super easy way to show off your NFTs, keep everything organized. I mean, really, that's what this NFT gallery is for, is to keep all of your collection organized. And there's a lot of different reasons why you might want to keep them organized. DAOs might want to use this. Stores might want to keep NFTs organized for their merchandise, certain categories. So let me show you, for example. It says this is a custom title at the top here. Well, I could right here say Bonk Collection. That's the name of this NFT. Okay? I could change the font family. Now Roboto, making it look a little bit more modern. Okay? Light green, I could change the background. I can make it light blue. Yeah, so giving it a much more modern version. If I wanted to have a background, I could put a background image here, or I could choose this to be a carousel. And now you can see here how easy I can switch to a carousel version of my NFT collection. I wanted to make this super easy, something that wasn't going to take a lot of time to set up. You don't need to set up your own cards here. What I mean is the NFT is already a card, and all you need to do is get the decentralized ID for the for that NFT, the decentralized identity. That's where you're going to see here on the right hand side in these parameters. Did 1, did 2, did 3, did 4. This is where you're going to enter the did for that NFT. Let me show you that. If I go to the ArcBlock Chain Explorer and I go to the factories, here you see on the left hand side factories, I can find my Bonk collection. If I go to my Bonk collection and I scroll down, you're going to see all of the different assets that have been minted. Now, these assets, you see Bonk 22, they all have decentralized identification, DIDs attached. So, I just copy that, Bonk 20, go back to my page here, and I'm going to put that in for number 3. Okay. Now Bonk number 20 is going to be popping up here as the third character in the carousel. So there's Bonk 1, Bonk 20. There you go. Bonk with the 12-inch shades, the flies around the ham, the hieroglyphics, white tee. Classic. So we've utilized the ArcBlock API for this, making it super easy for folks who have a collection that want to show it off. Put this onto your Pages kit and get it popping. Get it looking good. It's super easy to use, and we're always updating, so when you do use it, if you have any ideas, any questions, any concerns, hit us up and we'll get it taken care of for you right away. Really appreciate you. Thanks. Have a great day.